friends, welcome back. Jean Kanicki here. Today I'd like to give a huge shout out to Dee and Doug's retirement channel. They sent me a surprise, the sweetest gift package in the mail, and here it is. As you can see, it's not open yet, so I've been waiting to open this package to see what's in it. And you know, while I'm opening this, I will tell you that every time the mailman comes now, I'll be expecting confetti and goodies. So let's open this package, see what is in here. Boy, they really sealed this one. Okay. It says, keep your gift a surprise. Unwrap your present before opening this package. Okay, so let's see what we got. Oh my goodness, look at that. There's a card. All right. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look how beautiful it's wrapped. Okay. So the card says, enjoy your gift. Thank you for thinking so much about me. I so appreciate you, Jean. I can see her saying this. Just a little angel to say, I thank you so much. I love the teas and I love the Masha. Your friend, Denise. Dee. So let's open it. Look how pretty. Look how pretty the package is. And this is a real silk ribbon, everyone. I have no idea. I can't imagine what this could be. Okay. There's a package within a package. Less packaging, more smiles. This product shipped in its original bag to reduce packaging. Okay. Aww. Just for you, with sincere thanks. Oh, and it has a little saying here from the designer. I hope this piece has personal meaning just for you. A little reminder, a reflection, a gesture that makes a memory. How sweet is that? I invite you to visit their website to share stories about this piece and others, and she signed it. That is just lovely. So let's see what we have. Oh, wow. Aww. Oh. Now we have to unwrap her. just love her. She, aww, it's a little angel. My husband is getting all emotional, emotional taping. Dee, how did you know that I collect angels? Oh my goodness, she is just the most beautiful thing ever, ever. Look at that. I want to give you a close-up of her. She is so, so darling. She's just beautiful. Thank you, Dee. Thank you, darling. Oh, I just love her. She's so sweet. Dee, honestly, I feel like I won the YouTube friendship lottery. Your love, your kindness, and friendship means the world to me. Not only did you brighten my day, but you've been cheering me on and promoting my channel like a rock star. Thank you for being the kind of friend who shows up with laughter and support. I am so, so grateful our paths have crossed on YouTube. Thank you, YouTube. And I can't wait for everyone to see the joy that you've brought into my life. Dee, you've set the standard for what happy mail should look like. Thank you, Dee, for this amazing package. Look how beautiful she is. Dee, you've set the bar so high, even Santa's feeling insecure, honey. You didn't just send me a package, you've actually boosted Meritage Shades of Light and Healthy Kitchen Wizard, which are my channels. You've not only brightened my channel, you've brightened it more than a ring light right now. So now it's time for me to open this envelope because it says to wait till the end. So here we go. So excited. Oh, a gift for you. Thank you so much for thinking about me. I so appreciate it, Jean. Just a little angel to say thank you so much. I love the tea and I love the matcha from Denise. So, so, so sweet. Now, Dee's channel, the name of her channel is Dee and Doug Retirement. And I will be posting her information on the bottom. Everyone, please check out her channel. She's a lovely person and funny, funny, funny. So, thank you, Dee. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, honey. I love you. And Doug, too. I can't forget Dougie. Thank you, honey. Bye.